Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in AutoCAD. I'm architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I'm going to teach you about the Xreference in AutoCAD. What is the meaning of Xreference and how to use this in AutoCAD, and what is the purpose of this Xreference. So you can see here, this is the floor plans of a commercial project, and I have saved this folder here, and this is my external reference, and I am working on electrical drawing of this floor plans. So this is just a empty folder. You can see this is just empty folder, and I have another revised floor plan, and you can also click this here, and this is also empty folder here. So now this is my floor plans and this is my reference for other drawings. So first we need to understand what is the meaning of Xreference. So if you look at the definition here, so I'm going to explain you what is Xreference in AutoCAD. So you can see here definition, Xreference is an external reference. So if you look at this floor plan, this is my external reference for this electrical drawing and revised drawing. So suppose if you are working on plumbing drawing also, so this will become your external reference. So Xreference is used when you are working on a larger projects, and simultaneously many people can work as a team using Xreference. Whatever the changes will occur here will reflect in other drawings also, like electrical, plumbing and other types of drawings. So if you look at the definition here, it's a external reference to another AutoCAD drawing file. One file can reference many other files and display them as if they were one. These are used in larger projects for many reasons. They keep the file size down. They allow many users to work on individual components of your projects. So by using Xreference, we can work as a team, and we can work on different types of drawings, like electrical, plumbing and mechanical drawings, and you can use Xreference to reduce the errors. So you can attach any drawing file as external reference or Xreference in the current drawing. Attached Xreference are linked to the model space of a specified drawing file. You can look at this. Changes made to the reference drawings are automatically reflected in the current drawings when it's opened or if the Xreference is reloaded. So what is the meaning? So suppose I'm making any changes here in the floor plans, this will reflect in my electrical drawing or revised floor plans here. So first I'm going to show you in electrical drawing. So this is just empty. So how to load these floor plans as external reference? So suppose I'm working on electrical drawing here, so I'm going to type Xreference, XRef. You can see this is the Xreference here, and if you click here, you can see this is the attached drawing. You can click this arrow. You can see you can attach drawing also, you can attach image, you can attach DWF file, you can attach DZN, PDF, point cloud and coordination model. And this one is refresh. You can refresh here and reload or refresh. You can reload from here, and this I don't know, and this is for help. So you can get help if you have any confusion from this icon here. So suppose I'm going to click on this and I'm going to attach drawing here, and you can see here this is the list view and this one is tree view. You can choose any of this, and now I'm going to select attach drawing here. So I want to attach drawing, and this is my floor plans which I'm going to use as external reference. So I'm going to click on these floor plans and I'm going to click open, and you can see here attach external reference. So this is name is floor plans, and I'm going to keep this as default here. So you can see this is the scale here, X, Y, Z, and you can rotation is 0 here, and insertion point is specify on screen, and reference type is attachment. So overlay, if you are not using attachment, you can use overlay, and you can refer this as, unlike an Xreference that is an attachment, and overlay is ignored when the drawing to which it is attached is then attached as an Xreference to another drawing. So I'm going to use this default attachment here, and unit is in fit. So I'm click OK, and you can see here this is my Xreference here, and you can see these all are in a block model here. So suppose I want to start my electrical drawing, and clients or other engineers is making changes to my external reference. So suppose I am going to my external reference floor plans, and I want some changes as suggested by client to this drawing. So suppose my clients wants to increase this area here, so I'm going to simply stretch this to 6 feet here. I'm going to press S command stretch, and I'm going to press 6 feet here, and now this one is 81 feet 3 inches. And if I'm going to my electrical drawing, and if you look at this, this is still 75 feet 3 inches, but I have stretched is my external reference. So you are required to first save this, Control S, press this Control S, your external reference, and now I'm going to electrical drawing, and you can see this message here, and X reference was modified, reload floor plans. And now this is my system name, and now I'm going to click reload floor plans. So you can watch here what is happening. So I'm going to reload floor plans, and you can see this is stretched here. So this is stretched to this floor plan here. You can see this is 81 feet 3 inches, and now it is reflecting here in this drawing. So suppose I am working in another drawing here, revised floor plans, and now I am going to attach this drawing here. I am going to click attach drawing, and now I am going to click on this floor plan here, and I am going to click open, and I am going to click OK, and now I am pasting this here. So this is as a block model here, and now I am going to my external reference here. This is floor plans, and again I am going to reduce this to 6 feet, and I am going to press 6 feet here, and now I am going to my revised floor plan. I will also reduce this one, and I will go to my revised floor plan, and you can see here this is not reduced. So I am going to first save this here, Control S, and you can see here, and X reference was modified, reload floor plan. So I am going to click reload floor plans, and you can see this is reduced to this size here. So this is the use of X reference. So you can see this image which is here. There are two layers, so this is just a comparison. So you can see here X reference compare. So you can see this bulb icon for turning off layer on or off. So toggles the comparison display on or off. So you can just simply press here, and this comparison will be turned off, and you can see this is the just a comparison, and you can turn the layer on or off. So you can see here, you can do this here also. So you can see here this is just a comparison, and I'm going to click on this bulb icon, and this is just a X reference display here. So whatever the changes I have done here in floor plans is reflecting here. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in AutoCAD. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.